Hi, Kid Time friends and family. It's Miss Ashley. And who are you?
Leo.
And
Olivia.
Olivia. And we are here today to show you how to make a really fun outside activity called
Oobleck.
Oobleck. It's really easy to make and it can get messy, which is why you see we are in our backyard. If you don't have outdoor space, that's okay. Another good idea in the home is if you're in your kitchen, you can lay down some maybe bath towels or beach towels and put your buckets on top of that so it's easy to clean up. Oobleck washes off of clothes and surfaces really easy, just with warm water is all you need. So let's see what we've got here today. I have two kind of large containers from my kitchen. Olivia has a really big Tupperware, and Leo has a really big plastic mixing bowl.
No, I don't. Blue.
It's a blue mixing bowl. That's right, bud. All right, so let's look at our materials. First thing you need is cornstarch. I have two, just regular size from your grocery store if you have some on hand. We've got a big old pitcher of water, which we're going to add slowly. I've got some food coloring, which does stain, so that's something you don't want your little ones to just go crazy with. That one I'll probably add by myself just so we don't stain any clothes or surfaces. And then I've got a variety of different spoons and measuring cups and a little sieve and funnel to just mix and play with the Oobleck. So you can either use materials like this from your kitchen, or you can use toys, because like I said, it all washes off really easily. All right, and this is also a project where your kids can do every part of it, except for maybe the food coloring, unless you're feeling brave. So I'm going to give each kid their cornstarch. And we start with the cornstarch because if you start with water, it's hard to gauge the ratio. I'm going to set this down for a sec. The ratio is not an exact measurement for me. I kind of just eyeball it.
Can you pour all of it?
Yeah, go ahead and pour all of it. So we'll start with the cornstarch. And then we'll add water little by little until we get the right consistency. And what's really cool about Oobleck is it's called a non-Newtonian fluid, which means that it's somewhere between liquid and solid. So when you're squishing it in your hands, it might feel hard, and then when you let go of it, it flows through your fingers like a liquid. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna get messy, but it's okay. It washes off really easy. You can get messy, bud. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of water now to start.
Whoa.
What does it feel like right now?
It feels smooth.
It feels smooth?
Yeah.
What temperature is it? Is it warm or cool?
Cool.
It feels kind of cool in your hands, doesn't it? All right, here we come. I'm going to put a little water, and you know what? This water's a little bit warm, so it's going to help dissolve a little bit better. So you want to just start with a little bit of water, not too much, and then you're going to let your kiddos squish it up with their fingers, or they can use a spoon. Do you want to use a spoon or your fingers, or both? Both. Okay. Here's a spoon for you. Do you want a spoon, Leo? No? Okay, well squish. You gotta squish, squish, squish it up. Keep squishing. And then once all the water's kind of absorbed, we'll add a little bit more. Just a little bit at a time, because if you do too much water and you don't have any more cornstarch, it tends to be a little liquidy. Go ahead and mix it, bud. Squish it. Do you want me to roll your sleeves up?
Yes.
Squish it, squish it. All right, now you can see Olivia's is starting to look like Oobleck a little bit. Can you pick up some of that, Olivia, and show us what it looks like when you let it drip from your hands? So it's kind of like spilling out of her hands. So you'll want to grab this powder part and mix it in, or just let your kids do whatever they want to do with it. It's fun. Oh boy. Maybe even flick it all over the place if you're outside. All right, now we're going to add a little bit of food coloring.
I want red.
You want red. Okay, so I'm going to give Leo some red. I usually use liquid
Yellow.
You want yellow? Okay. I usually do liquid food coloring at school, so I'm not sure exactly how many drops, but we're going to start with, I don't know, what was that? 10 drops, something like that. So, Leo, why don't you use your spoon? Hey, that looks pretty cool. What does that look like? Swirling. All right, and Olivia wants yellow.
Hey, what's it? Okay, pink. Yeah, it's pink already because that was a white. That's actually orange.
It looks orange, and then when you mix it, it looks more yellow.
See? Oh,
And you can use your spoon too.
I have pink. Yeah, but you're just using red.
So you're just going to keep mixing with your hands. And as you can see, this is, once again, a very messy project. But we are outside and we can hose everything down. And Oobleck just washes right off. And if you don't have an outdoor space, like I said, another maybe easier cleanup place might be your kitchen floor with some towels down and put your containers on top of that.
Yeah.
Swiffer it up, or I don't know. It's very fun. It's messy, but it's a lot of fun. And kids learn a lot from it too. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll have more to send you. We sure miss our friends and our families, and we'll see you guys in school soon. Can you say bye?
Bye. Bye.